Company Secretary course, explained simply. Today, we're talking about the Company Secretary course. Heard about it, but not sure what's it all about. Or maybe you're thinking of pursuing it, but want to know the details. Well, stick around, because we're going to break it all down for you in super simple terms. Let's get started. What exactly is a Company Secretary? Alright, so let's get straight to the point. A Company Secretary or CS is not your everyday admin role. It's actually one of the most important positions in a company. A CS is a go-to person for legal and regulatory advice. They make sure the company is following all the rules, from filing documents to advertising, top management, making sure everything stays in check. Second question, why choose the Company Secretary course? Why should you even think about becoming a company secretary? Well, for starters, it's a career that has a lot of respect and responsibility. You're in the inner circle, working with the board of directors and other big names in the company. And trust me, companies in India and abroad are always looking for qualified company secretaries. Plus, if you love law, corporate governance, and being part of decision-making processes, this is the perfect role for you. Do you want to be a company secretary? Let us know your story in the comments. Next, how do you become a company secretary? Now, let's talk about how to become one. To officially become a CS, you need to clear 3 levels: foundation, executive, and professional. The foundation level gives you the basics of businesses, law, and economics. Then, at the executive level, you go deeper into topics like company law and tax. And finally, the professional level prepares you for advanced challenges like governance and compliance. It sounds tough, but with the right preparation, you can absolutely do it. Course structure overview. So let's quickly break down the course. The foundation level is where you start, with subjects like business law, economics, and financial accounting. After that, you move to the executive level, which is topics like securities law, corporate governance, and economic laws. And finally, at the professional level, you will master advanced subjects like corporate funding and secretarial audits. It's a journey that takes time, but every step gets you closer to becoming a key player in any company. If you like this video, you'll enjoy this one too.